Yeah, I mean, I was hanging out. We had one little issue when I first got here. Just said the property owner wants y'all. Okay. Hey, my money's up,
God long Justin, who won it? I really take pride in bettering myself every single day, so I hope you guys enjoy the small changes to the way that I edit these videos. Enjoy.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever.
Ooh. Hey, do you want this back?
You want to keep your pimp cane?
I don't need a pimp cane. Christine, no. You take care of that. You take care of that. I feel like it's been a couple days since I've actually had my face like really in the camera. What's up, guys? Obviously, we're going to a truck meet tonight. We're hanging out in the famous cul-de-sac, the famous ZACK. We got 4Runner, the old bow tie. We got lifted Toyota. Got the Ford that's leaving. Matt's truck and the twin turbo V6 and a random person. Oh, that's the nicest car here. You want to show me what happened to your pressure washer? Does that mean we can't wash the truck anymore?
Well, hey, Alex, we'll get it figured out. Well, first we got this little oofage.
And
then that's where the biggest one.
Oh yeah, that won't do.
It's because I wash your truck too much.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Dude, you need to
I'm
get a
sorry.
rubber hose. 75-foot rubber hose.
Oh, you just need a new hose.
This will never break.
Or you should wash your own truck, Alex.
I don't know about that. That's kind of
Mr. Car Wash or something.
Ooh,
I don't think you want to.
that's a huge no can do.
Yeah,
You can't. Yeah.
Huge no can do.
Thank you.
Look at all this stuff.
Don't touch. Just kidding.
Man, I'm prepared. There's
Oh, and you broke another bottle.
Is that lube?
Here, hold this.
This is lube. It's gotta
Yeah,
be.
you just cracked the bottle.
Mr. Pink, that's gotta be
Your
lube.
interior detailer is now cracked.
The butter
even though you
wax.
don't do interior.
Hey, you know, my coworker tells me all the time you can never have too much lube, so.
Never. Yeah.
Never.
Never.
I
need you more. Mine every time that I speak.
Okay, Clay.
Shit from last week. Go through my phone.
You gonna quit being a bitch or do you want your money?
Sorry about that. You on?
Let me clear the air up a little bit for you guys. We got to Walmart and within 10 minutes, the cops were cool with us being there, but Walmart, the property owners, wanted us gone. What happened? What happened?
Doesn't want us to say.
Okay.
Off the top of my head, no. Okay. Target maybe. Okay. I don't know for sure. Because we're just trying to stay like this. I know. And again, we were okay. Yeah. I mean, I was hanging out. We had one little issue when I first got here. A guy had his radio. I'm like, man, cut that down. And he actually ended up leaving. Okay. Yeah. I don't have any problems. Y'all out here behave yourself. Yes, sir. And that's when I was younger. I'd kill to have a place like this. I got ran off from everywhere I was at. Yeah, we've been real lucky to kind of stay here and not have a bunch of issues. But unfortunately, my coworker just said the property owner wants y'all. Okay. So was it? Do you know if it was Walmart? I guess it was Walmart. Okay. All right. Well, I need to go talk to them. They typically don't.
Sorry, I came to see what the cop was saying. They're kicking us out already. So we got kicked out of the truck meet within like 10 minutes. The owner of Walmart behind us back there actually does not want us here, but these cops are cool enough to stay back and let us get some pictures with the cars. So if you guys see this on our Instagram, we did not get in trouble, no tickets or anything, but the cops of Ackworth are super, super awesome, and they've allowed us to pull up and get pictures with the cop cars. This is one of the coolest things I've ever done, and that's obviously the thumbnail of the video today is, you know, me next to a cop car because the cops are cool enough to let us take pictures. Huge shout out to these guys, awesome guys talking cars and trucks, and you know, they're normal people, you know, they're not the ones that kicked us out. Walmart is actually the ones that are wanting us to leave. These guys are cool. They were gonna let us, you know, hang out and have a good time, but unfortunately Walmart, you know, gotta be the owner and kick us out. But again, huge shout out to the cops up here in Ackworth, awesome guys. Love them so much. Thank you for everything that you do. You guys are the best. Once we left Walmart, we ended up at the Target right down the road, and that's when things really got interesting. And by interesting, I mean, we made some money. Did you just hop out of the fucking Winnebago?
Hell yeah, Bubba.
Oh my god.
Where's this at?
What the hell's going on here? That's what goes on at truck meets now?
Oh, is this truck meet?
Hold up, I want to walk in this.
Yeah,
Bro, this is amazing. This is fucking.
Put your clothes on.
What the?
This is fucking great.
Smells like
Grandma's house.
I'm not gonna.
Yeah, it smells like grandma's house.
I'm not gonna. No.
Howdy, ShamWow. Howdy.
I'm gonna get off at this thing.
Oh, you got a car behind you. Clear the drags.
They've started foot races. Jesus. Really?
Let him eat. Let him eat.
Oh, man, he jumped. Oh, shit. Oh, he jumped. Hey, blue trace. Yellow. All right. Get that ass, boy. Hey, my money's up, play.
Y'all loud, Justin. Who won it? Oh, y'all lame.
Justin.
Lame.
Oh, shit. Go, baby, go.
You rip the damn jeans. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. With the.
Now it has built in.
That's it right there.
Alex, you gotta go. Hey, I might fucking go. Alex, I got 10 against you, Alex. Oh my God.
Come on, Alex.
We're not here for the competition. I got 10 against you. I feel bad if I won.
Hey, Willie's back right now. How the hell do I get the camera? Here, take it back.
Hey, because I just won. I won $3, motherfucker.
Alex, I'm calling you out. Come on.
Call out these whips.
Alex. 3,
What?
2.
Oh no, he jumped.
That's bad.
Oh, he gave up, man.
I wasn't paying attention. What the hell's going on here?
They're about to fall back.
Yeah, they Oh shit!
Let's go. Oh, he's bad.
Willie! Hey, Willie!
Willie's shooting now.
I got this side.
Hey, I'm just going to answer.
Hey, man, hey, we're locked in.
All right, ready?
Go.
Alright, slip.
What the hell's going on? Money on big boys?
Yeah, some sticking with me. Big boys. Hey, who here plays baseball and has their shit in their truck? Hey, doesn't mean
Why wants his dollar?
Hey, I'll take this up. Let's go, McDoubles. Let's go. Let's go, McDoubles. Let's go. Hold up.
Play, you're a bitch. Just remember that.
Y'all ready? Yeah.
Go.
Oh,
Come on, boy.
Damn.
Oh my God, you gotta stop.
It's all right. It's all right. Hey, we're still on top, baby. It's okay. Hey, we get this bread. All right.
Oh no, I wasn't trying to.
God, that's not. Wait. Who's going?
Hey.
Oh, wait. See, that's what we need.
Wait, what?
Hey, Shamar, gotta go bananas. I get he's black.
Oh no. We should do football down. Hold up, go. Oh shit, yes. Oh, I'm down, Shamar. Yeah, let's do football down. Run around. Go. He said go. Go.
Bye, Shamar.
Come on, Twix. Drive.
Hey, not Spider-Man.
Hey, who wants a dollar?
Alex,
I got.
oh shit! I was thinking something completely different.
All right, someone call it.
Wrestler versus
All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
Victor, get dragged. Victor, move your feet, man. Move your feet. Let's go. Come on, Victor. Move.
So we started out with $1. We're up to 4.
First few times, but now.
That's all I'm gonna say.
It's looking good.
Not as young.
It's looking good.
I anchored and headed for a second. Wait. Out of my fucking hands. Pull a lot away.
I got $1 here.
Hey, oh, it's a good. I want him. I got go. Oh shit. Oh shit. Come on.
That fire in his eye.
Reel that motherfucker. Let's go. Drag his ass. Come on.
He don't have that fire in his eyes. He don't have that fire in his eyes, baby. All I gotta say is, I'm glad the cops left. I'm glad the cops left.
This is Brad, baby! That's what I'm talking about.